Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the keyboard and the storage location for problematic entries, so you remove the right item. Open the keyboard settings or the app's text replacement list. This is where the word lives. Once there, search or scroll to the exact entry, don't guess. You tap or click the item to reveal edit and delete options. Because keyboards sync, make sure you're on the device tied to your account, otherwise the change might not propagate. Now remove or modify the entries. Select the unwanted word, choose delete, and confirm. That removes the single entry immediately. If you need to clear many words, use multi-select or export the list to a text file, edit off device, then re-import. This is faster and reduces mistakes. Once done, test by typing the word to ensure it no longer appears. If replacements keep returning, disable sync or the specific replacement feature temporarily to avoid re-import. Finish by testing. Type the previously unwanted word in several apps to verify it's gone across devices. If it still appears, clear the keyboard or app cache and restart the device. This forces the system to refresh stored data. Make sure to check cloud or account-level text replacement lists, because sync can recreate entries, remove the word there too. If problems persist, sign out and back into the account, then repeat deletion. That resolves most propagation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.